Hi, listeners. This is Sonam, your nutritionist. And today I'm going to talk about two amazing things, that is jaggery and walnuts. So, first of all, how did your week went by leaving sugar for a week? Was it tough? And how was the jaggery flavor? How was your jaggery tea? I got a lot of calls from my clients telling me that how good they are feeling and how fresh they are feeling after leaving chai, and a couple of them called me to ask me how much jaggery can they take in the chai. So it was very pleasing to get calls from people, and understanding that how important it is to leave sugar. So of course, I'm not going to tell you to leave sugar for your entire life, but now you've understood that leaving or cutting down sugar really helps you. So what you can do is you can start back slowly, 1 spoon or half spoon of sugar, visible sugar, in a day, in your teas or in your whatever form you want to take them, because understand a lot of invisible sugar goes in your system, right? And quickly, I'm going to tell you the benefits of jaggery, which we missed it last time. So, jaggery really helps in giving relief to people who suffer from constipation. It is one of the most natural antioxidants, and it cleans your system. And jaggery really helps in circulating your metabolism and your blood pressure. So, try to incorporate combination of jaggery and sugar, so that you're not overpowering either of the two. And now coming to my favorite nut, which is walnut. We all have heard that how important walnuts are, how important almonds are. But why walnuts? Why suddenly so much of walnut? If you just switch on any of the food channels, you'll see all these chefs are giving you amazing recipes of walnuts. So walnuts, as you can look them, the shape of the walnuts is so they're called the brain boosters, and they come from California. That's why we have the variety of California walnuts. So walnuts are very important for us to consume, because they lead to brain boost. They are called like brain boosters, so they are very important for proper nerve functioning of our system. Secondly, it really controls your diabetes level. It helps to low down the cholesterol. People with high cholesterol levels should make sure to consume walnuts. Also, the researchers and studies have been done that consumption of walnuts slow down the production of cancer cells. So nowadays, with so cancer becoming so common, every now and then some patient or somebody is coming up with cancer symptoms. So it is very important that we keep a check on every single thing that we are putting in our mouth, and creating these antioxidants in our body is very important. So walnut does this amazing role for us. Now, how many walnuts in a day? Because we all know that they have good fat in them, so we can't overpower walnuts. So 4 to 5 walnuts for an adult in a day probably should be consumed in the first half of the day, and two small portions of walnuts for children who are till for children till 12 years of age, and you can start them from 4.5 or 5 years of age. So they will get a lot of benefits of walnut, and they will develop a very nice taste of walnuts. And also make sure to soak your walnuts in water overnight, so that the extra heat from the walnut comes down, and you can throw away the water and have the walnuts in the morning. The best way to consume and get the maximum benefit is to have your walnut with a glass of hot lemon water, and have that walnut. Also, walnuts really boost your immunity. So these days a lot of people might end up having some very small disease like cold and cough, but it really becomes worse because the immunity levels are really low. So make sure to consume all these good food compositions, so that your body is really strong enough to deal with this, rather than just aiming to become thin and have no strength to do anything. So signing off for today, and hoping that you'll keep eating the good things more, and enjoy junk food once in a while. Thank you.